Hi everybody, this is Philippe Antoine for Catena Cyber, and this morning we will be inspecting the Suricata fuzzing coverage as provided by OSS Fuzz. So we can see here the latest report from 8th of December, and we will be more especially interested in the Suricata part of the coverage. So we have libHTTP, which is kind of a library, so we do not use every functionality in there, so it's okay. And we have the Rust and C parts. So we'll first let's take a look at the Rust part. Okay. Okay, so let's try it like that. Okay, so I guess a player template is not activated. That's not such a big deal, I guess. First, I would like to take a look at this ASN1 stuff. Plugin is, yeah, we do not first plugin support, so okay so far. Okay, so we cover nothing here, and if we try to look at where it's got from, yeah, there is a detect ASN1 keyword. Okay. Okay, and it does should call this on match. Okay, so we never called the match. What happens on the setup? Try to parse it. Okay, so yeah, the object should be using this. Is it here? Yeah, it's here, and this function is called 13,000 time. But on this 13,000 time, we do not manage to find one successful rule. That's too bad. So, why is that happening? I went a bit fast because I had already came so far. So, can fuzzing get such an input? Are we on master? No, let's get back on master and pull to be up to date. Okay. And let's recompile. Why this happen? Let's take a look at the Rust code to get some valid stuff. Okay, come on. Isn't it open already? Maybe not. So, ASN1 parse rule. So we defined a lot of function with tags, and then okay, so this is the one thing. So we look for these keywords, I guess, separated by multiple space or commas. Okay, so it looks like we can manage to craft such a role. So did I already? Yeah, looks like this would be a valid rule. So yeah, let's print some debug stuff. I pass success pass, and okay, and some more info about the error if any. Okay, so let's recompile, and then we will try to run the this rule, this first target on this rule, and we should see the debug printing stuff. Yeah, and I guess we should see a successful parsing. So if we get a successful parsing, I guess that we should try to focus fuzzing on this specific rule without this corpus item. So oh, it was there. Success pass. So it's clearly reachable with this input. So a way to fix the coverage would be to add one rule such as this one into the base, the seed corpus, but then that would only fix this case, and this is in fact quite strange that we do not try these strings in the fuzzing process. I would think that this ends up in some comparison, and that the fuzzing engine then say, okay, if you compare your input to this, then maybe I should add this to the dictionary so that I can put this at some point, because it looks relevant, and it is. Okay, so we have our signature first target that we've just run. And I guess that we want to try it on this. Okay, so this is not reachable From here. Okay, so can I just try to do something like this? So maybe it looks a bit archy, but should work. Let's check if we can compile. And yes, we can compile. And okay. So maybe let's remove the error printing. Oh, I don't know. Let's like try it like that. So yeah, not so much of a success. Maybe I should check my rust flags first. Yeah. Maybe not enough. So can I still compile with this on my... Oh, it's SunCov module, I guess, now. Oh. Is it not? Up. Come on, what is my version? September, yeah. Maybe I should update it at some point, but maybe not now. Right now that I am compiling. So this looks interesting. This looks like the, I guess, the things we want. We can take a look at C flags, or as an option. Strict mem compare. Right, yeah. Okay, so Oh yeah. Which version of Clang am I using? Clang 13? So I guess, yeah, maybe I should update. And reset my rest flags and try it again. So yeah, that's the tedious part, I guess. Now we let's check if we have some documentation in further adding the short now. So yeah. Another way would be to add a dictionary with the strings. You can check that. But we would like the fuzzing engine to get it by itself, I guess. Did you already download Rust-C stable directly? Yeah. So how many Rust-C do I have? Too many. Oh, I guess I forgot to reset my Rust flags, so that should fail, hopefully. Yeah, thanks for failing. So now we have Sankov module and not just Sankov. Oh. Internal compiler error. Let's get it clean first, maybe, because it looks like it started from a not so fresh version. Yeah, looks better, looks like work macro passed. We got too many crates, but decreasing this number is not a priority. Looks well so far. So, in the meantime, maybe we can try to look at what's happening. So let's look. We're using num 512. Yeah, we want to try an old version. And we want to look for the tag. Okay, which one? Bytes complete tag. Yeah. And we want the source of this. Input.compare. What is this? Compare stuff. This is a trait. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so maybe this is because of num and not using some, I don't know, compare light slices, light arrays. So Okay, yeah. I guess I see why, because yeah, they are not equal. One string contains the other. One slice contains the other. So, how did the compilation go? Not so well. Okay, so let's reset a bit the rust flags and just check that we can find this with a dictionary. So, present dictionary feedback. So, this will be interesting. In the meanwhile, let's look for tag. Yeah, let's look even for we've got some interesting things and some less interesting. What is this after 2 to 9? Oh yeah. So maybe we should just take the one which are at least 3 bytes. Okay, so let's get back to this. Yeah, we're not making much progress, so let's try to add a dictionary. So, dictionaries. And let's run with This dictionary book. So yeah, we get it. Okay. So looks like this. Start unique, and then dash only lines size greater. Yeah, awk. Of course, awk. Yeah, looks great. So this looks like a good dictionary. So just yeah, so there may be some thing like that. x00 is this the thing we want? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so I guess it's maybe so. This looks nice. The problem with this is that we will not know for which first targets it will be useful, this dictionary. And in fact it's just every first target that calls tag. So that's what I would like some way to say, hey, when I call this function, I give you the feedback that you should add this to your dictionary. Anyways, let's just do this for now. So this will be OSS fuzz change. So let's get to master. And pull. And say select. And so we have this big dictionary. And we want this here. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. So let's use the generic. Wait. So much success now. But we've got some other one which may be interesting. So okay, so let's get back. We're on the branch. Let's make the pull request now. I logged into GitHub here? No. Let's get a logged browser. So let's cc. Oh. In fact, I would like the fuzzing engines to automatically get these words for the dictionaries. That is on the first function tag create is called for string. Way the dictionary is targets with this pre-computed generic dictionary and not know which items are useful for which targets. Up. Okay, so I guess that's pretty good now. So interesting thing is that yeah, we got strings for our ISN1 stuff, but yeah, I don't know this MSTS hash stuff, so maybe it will help in the RDP stuff. I can check the RDP coverage maybe. Parser, MSTS. Yeah. Is it used somewhere? Log. So yeah, looks like it works now. Size length, okay. E tag. Oh, yeah. That's not the right one. So my bash magic is a bit harsh. We should have rather done some parsing of the Rust code to really look for call of tag function or tag macro. But yeah, that was so much faster to do. And yeah, the tag looks maybe interesting for other stuff. Anyways, so we're lucky. Okay, so let's create this. And let's end it here for now. So, bye bye, and maybe see you in a bit for another similar video. Up by OBS.